The vocabulary word we are exploring now is assemble. Assemble. Have you ever gathered pieces to build a model or invited people to form a group? That's what it means to assemble. The word assemble means to bring together people or things into one place or whole. It's often used in teamwork, construction, or organizing events. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of assemble. To assemble means to gather people or objects together into a group or unit. Examples: the team will assemble in the hall at noon. He assembled the desk by following the instructions. Crowds assemble to watch the fireworks show. Short story. Liam received a mysterious box marked "Do not open until midnight." When the clock struck 12, he opened it to find hundreds of tiny metal pieces and a note, "Assemble me." Intrigued, he worked through the night, carefully joining every piece. As the sun rose, a small robot stood before him, blinking its lights. It saluted Liam and said, "Hello, Creator." Astonished, Liam realized he had assembled something extraordinary, an intelligent companion. That morning, he discovered that curiosity and patience could build more than just machines.